ensuo ewo event e course so yase a hotels kwan a wafa so a oye no efe na afibia no se utumi atimu biem na adobo one I triple with the year subsequent years you can see say why deliberate say development enye no nko ani bia infrastructure nko a ye woniema bi ho ye short term you just sit down in 1 month and think say Easter ye ebekoi kwan be ne befa so create image any sika e de ama ya manfo me ye sure say sika na o create ye na nye ono nko ani botom ne kogu ye minim say dodo na amohwe bi enti say we leader you are always looking for an opportunity to make people better. We're making water sellers better. We're making hotels better. We're making Kumawood for better. We're making MC for better. Event na course na to so we're making sports better. Sports presenters. Omunyina akobobi. Just a host of but it could have gone. Sa niema we no enkobi betima na privately. But all take initiative no aye as a leader no. Abua ama students ewom entade omo pam she jama eniemo crafts artifacts omo ton eniema omo she da say ye be exhibit Ashanti Fest no na very nice minim say mo amu follow ye no. This is how to deliberately set an agenda for business. Me sure say sa na ko start here e will be initiative to change something that is traditionally geared towards this near making a business. And you work amanoni almost so Christmas period no sika e generate no 0.2% of the GDP of the region. Omo calculate bibia based on business. When a starting business based on Ashantifest. When a ton bibi what creative bibia mo bi anya biadi. That is amamu no anono. Nenketu mu ano no now they grow kwane kesiem. And yebebo Ashanti regional minister nabaso because this is something that came up. It just came up. Let's create something like Ashantifest. Abuama was sancra they renovate presidential villa nanke wo Lake Bosomtwe. Na eno na ebe drive wo ma say Lake Bosomtwe ho no obekwa kwaye ho kwan no by force. Because business ebe ba no say uko hu the impact ni growth edeba. Now we show how potentially it can grow. You have no option than to construct the road. Hotel say woho. Enti say we a leader. Ebi mo ada. Within this period, ebi mo de arrest ye meboa. Ye won regional ministers obi aye ne de but ebi mo de ada. Ye won municipal chief executives bi or community bia. Meko Ketanso from Ashanti region. Keta. And so the number of people omo call ho and me post to omo video bako me hu abrofo a omo retweet nipa omo nya Ghanaians Africans they want to come and witness what they did in Keta. That is how you grow. Keta so Easter canoe racing omo ton niema exhibition of omo regional wares omo say water volleyball say river volleyball who was our video now. Omo create idea. These are activities apart from the social factor, some my economic impact of the area. A open place in the app. Obi say I feel we may say next year Easter Meko Keta. The Ecosu way horse racing and Niama beach horse racing, beach volleyball, canoe racing, na exhibition of water wear and a whole food bazaar. Voter food bazaar and Duani Omudin will so. Until next year, when money a call Dubai, Quayano. Ye call Thailand, ye Nin way Abio, Ubin Atnas and work creative BB. Ghana new in a raff will be a ticket, a return ticket to Dubai. We are now Korea. Ye call Dubai, ye who be a desert to Sonomote, and I'm paying for you so might be creative, and at the end of the day, that it generates money. I'm a chromo for. Weekend the omo yes anema we sika omonya the opam flag air ton the opam life jacket air ton the opam paint enema e cost so say no we a leader no what take charge you seize the opportunity entina me bo omo organize whether private or public now ma o mind for no so hu say metifie kwa mama kwan Easter years ni pe ba ha na e meton nsuo you get something. And this is what I was talking about. Oma create water volleyball Easter and then nipa eko ho minim say professor prof your Ghana tourism CCA Kobi Mensa eko ho and prof these are some of the things as oman penyimfo no ye betumi adane dane ye niema aye wo aye betumi dia generate sika na youth awo ha no hu sa opportunity we ya na ontu kwan kokro bi so nkoye adwuma ba obetena ha didi Cow Business Forum there has always been cow but we share businessmen including Dr. Kwaku Oten Ghana sikafo nyina omoto omonsa from say mommra na mommehye ideas na omo maba ha nya nsanko ano mo bewe omo mesua bibi eske ukosua bi mewa
bebre
yes
bebre
exactly enti anopai minim so betimi akire me niema kakra course or Cow Business Forum because I'm just trying to see the business side of the holidays na nye ebia yakwa akwagie ni nko aba but ye hu say ye create employment this is the Cow Business Forum. Yeah. Whose idea was this?
Yeah, Chief of Staff, Ira Julius Debra.
Okay.
On last year, and I just say, Kwawi ayekui, Kwafui na Ghana high, see bank crying near Boso Kamoni idea, Ukeshimu, one a business. It is a Quenya Bani Kufi Sanwa, I didn't in fashion yam for Ghana, businessmen in Amra together. Now, you how we can move the private sector through government any other agencies. Last year no more no more the maiden edition and this year the you taking it to another level and you be the chief of staff abaso papa adwuma so a wa ye no ye mo na abaso ba we no all CEOs omo editor financial institutions any trade agencies including the Minister for Trade enyina buy so etrimpa na ewumu nie obia wo pese wo ye business ana obia wo business mutata wo pese ene wo sign trem even go beyond the shores of Ghana na wo kodi dwa no aban no any other agencies ni be so mu na omo pian enti there were series of presentations by financial institutions CEOs commercial bank CEO Yera Alhassa Obabi NIB ene almost boss osan yo hene ono so Ebabi APSA just me new omo
apart from sa nema unim de oye what they for business side neto nchai sa mpanyimfo we nyina watwe omabako no unim sika omabeja ho
oma is gado omajabi any networking
youth amubenya contacts enti ye ma mpanyimfo ne nya deliver enti ye bo Dr. Amoakohene Ashanti regional minister ne ye bo ketafo no leaders na abaso no ne ye bo chief of staff so abaso said the bibia ni for attend 6 March into a business festival no leaders na mamona
na oba unim de de we a businessman na wo ko dwumadi na sia
yes
aban ataxe financial institutions no omubia say at least obia enso 5 companies mu
okay
na omo empre finance
young companies
yes omo enhwe sir omo be hwese omo be grow omo business through the bank
menka say startups
any existing ones nyina
okay
obia choose 5 na 5 no mu choose via by next year sai koshia na yakwa kohwe growth baby adu fire bank ne fa so boa any pempenso no mu gire any baby be ko do by next year
okay
na next year so must choose another set obia set of 5
and you 5 years no na build a lot of companies